Hello everyone, it's Ramel from RS3 in London and we're back with another video. Change of scenery today. So today we're in the Mercedes C43 and we're on our way to Dartford Mercedes to sort out a few issues. Today's video is all about PPF, paint protection film. So we got an RS3 in the workshop which we're going to go into. We're doing a full front end and I'm going to show you what we've done to this Mercedes C43 as well. And we messed up quite bad. Well, we didn't mess up, the paintwork was weak and things went wrong, so that's why we're on the way to Mercedes to get it rectified. And also we've got engine management light, the car's misfiring at 24,000 on the clock, so we got some major underlying issues. So we're running late to Merck and we're stuck in usual London traffic, but it's the morning, I'm a bit moody, I'm not gonna lie to you, but I've got my daily essentials. So we've got my Red Bull, got my black coffee, like solid strong black coffee. I'm a man that sleeps 3-4 hours a day, so I need a black coffee to start my day, literally to do anything, like to breathe, to use the restroom. I need this black coffee. And then I got my Red Bull that I go through a couple cans a day, and that is probably one of my worst habits that I'm trying to knuckle out. Anyone got any substitutes for Red Bull, a healthier option, please, you'll be saving a brother's life. You need to help me to stop this Red Bull stuff. But yeah, we're just stuck in traffic. We should have been there by 10:30, but it is what it is. Everything, I even went and bought a diamond rings, matching earrings. Everything was so cool. Every morning I'm in my feels. I'm a sucker for anything really. Like I like my old school R&B. Obviously I'm Asian, so my Bollywood mashup. I can flex with anything. Rap, US rap, bashment. But a little baby today in my feels for no reason. Here's what it is, isn't it? I can't get these beats right. I'll be your man. No, cut this. Don't put this in. Don't put this. So, this is the courtesy car. Hybrid electric, I'm not a big fan. Never really been a fan of electric cars. But it's nice, new A-Class saloon, 24 plate. I do like the steering wheel. The steering wheel is bad boy. So I'm thinking about putting this type of steering wheel in the C43. Looks like it's got the ambience already. Got the big screen. But one thing I hate about these screens is the CarPlay is miniature. Miniature, however you say the word. It's like this big, bro. So it's quite bad, but nice car. But I'm just not a fan of electric and hybrid, but I guess that's where the future's going. But I'm not a fan. So we're back in the PPF bay after we've dropped the car to Mercedes. And behind me we have the RS3. This one's in for an XPEL PPF full front end protection package. And we've done quite a lot on it right now. So if you follow me, I'm gonna show you what we've done. So the vehicle's outside and now it's gonna get its deep clean. So we're gonna get into the nooks and crannies, full decon wash, clay bar, get rid of all the little dirts embedded into the paintwork, snow foam, you know the drill. It's gonna have the best wash of its life. Back into the shop and we're getting our PPF all plotted up on our XPEL template. And so we have a perfect fitment, minimize no blades. And now look what we're doing. So front end consists of bonnet, wings, basically the bumper, basically the front end of the car. We're not doing none of the doors as it's only a front end package. Nijam and I'm going to introduce Nijam to you now. He's finally in, but he hasn't got uniform.
It was in the wash.
Very unprofessional. I told him every day he's got about 5 sets of uniform, and the day we're videoing, he wants to come in this B-Tech Essentials t-shirt.
I was in the rush.
But yeah, introduce yourself, Nij.
Right guys, my name's Nija. Work at our customs, been here for about...
Why are you so shy for?
4 or 5 years.
Bit of confidence.
4 or 5 years I've been here. Yeah, a PPF, ambience, whatever you guys need, I'm here.
I don't think he really sold himself properly on that one. But no, yeah, so this is Nij. We've been cracking on with the PPF. Let me show you a bit of demonstration of the benefits. You're going to see the C43 as well. C43 was a stealth PPF. This is a clear PPF. So if we follow me, you can see that it looks like nothing's been done, but we've applied PPF to this. Ultimate gloss, ultimate protection, and let me get you a little essential tool to scratch the car. I'm going to show you. I'm going to scratch the car, and the car is not going to get scratched, and the scratch is going to vanish straight away. So this little bad boy we've got here, yeah? Nidge, set me up with a hairdryer, please. While you're doing that, let me show you. So cameraman, come closer. So watch this, yeah? I'm going to scratch up the car like I hate you. You see that? You see all these scratches here? Now Nidge is going to apply the hairdryer, and we're going to keep heating it and watch it vanish away. Now one little wipe, voila, just like that, magic. 10 years warranty. XPEL, if you haven't heard about them, they're the biggest PPF company in the world, and we are an authorized installer. Myself,
Nidge, and
Shaq, and we've installed gloss onto this one. It will protect it from stone chips, X, Y, and Z, stone chips, road debris, bird poo, all of that stuff. Make your car extremely glossy, easier to clean, and you can feel the difference. Nice and smooth, bit rough. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna apply an XPEL ceramic coating on top, just to make it a little bit more glossier and make the PPF a little bit more protected, so it's easier to wash, X, Y, and Z. I'll show you a few cinematics on how we apply the ceramic coating onto this vehicle. Is there anything else we need to cover?
XPEL, best in the game.
You meant to say our customs.
Our customs best in the game.
You meant to say our customs. Unfortunately, I forgot to take a video of the finish of the RS3. It looked really nice. Banging, customer was happy. But look, I'm new to the game. I forgot, it is what it is. If you follow us on Instagram, you will see all the work on there. But when it came to YouTube, I fully forgot. Apologies. Next video is coming out, which is all about stolen cars, MetaTrack, Ghost. What's the best product? What's the best solution for you? Stay tuned for that. You might be just a little sneak peek behind me. We've got an RSQA in for a full stealth conversion. So what you just saw now was a clear PPF. This one's going full stealth. This one's going to look like an animal. But unfortunately, that's not the next video. Next video is all about stolen cars. But guys, I need you guys to like, comment, subscribe, share this post, get us more followers, more subscribers, and I will try my hardest not to forget shooting again. Peace.